What's up, y'all? I'm about to give an update on my okra. You guys, I'm excited about this one. Y'all know I love okra. So, quick measurement. The okra stand at just over 5 inches, you guys. Doing pretty good. We got the third leaf coming in. You know, new life is constantly on the rise. Y'all just don't know how ready I am to get me some okra fresh out the garden, like on some real stuff. I'm gonna take y'all over here to see my first set of Okra Sons. Alright, y'all, these my first set of Okra Sons, the first okra plants that I have ever grown. These plants stood over 7 feet tall in their absolute prime. This plant has turned really dark, like ash, and it has a ashy residue on it as well. You guys, I may have to be digging these up soon. I don't know when. I'm so like attached to my Okra Sons. It's kind of hard for me to let them go, but I have to. Very, very tall, very, very fruitful set of plants, you guys. I really enjoy growing my okra, and I'm going to enjoy growing them again, Lord allow. But yeah, I gotta do what I got to do, okay? So sooner than later, you'll be seeing some different things going on in the garden, and I hope you guys will enjoy the journey just as much as I will. Back to these babies right here. These are going to make me very proud. I'm claiming it. I have a total of 8 plants here, and I also have 1 in the house, so 9 plants. So hopefully all of these will do well and I won't have any losses. I already had a few losses on the okra, y'all, a few of them. So just trying my best to keep these flourishing, if you will. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all on the next one.